Let's face it, e-commerce is a digital business and with that comes digital risk. From data breaches to phishing attacks and ransomware, cyber threats are real. That's why smart online sellers are adding cyber liability insurance to their business protection. And with Next Insurance, it's super easy to include. When you build your custom policy on their site, just select the cyber coverage option. This helps cover the cost if your systems are hacked, customer info is exposed, or you face legal claims due to a breach. The process is fast, affordable, and 100% online. No tech background needed. It's one of the smartest things you can do to secure your e-commerce business in today's world. If your store lives online, your insurance should too. Click the link in my description to get your cyber insurance quote with Next today. In minutes.